Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I am standing in front of the all-new 2020 Chevy Camaro SS. This front-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, an automatic transmission, your black Chevy decals, 20 by 9.5 inch wheels in the back, and 20 by 8.5 inch wheels in the front. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have jet black cloth seating with a gray lining throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a sunroof, and when it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.